Hi folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to exclude companies from your LinkedIn searches, whether it's LinkedIn basic searches, LinkedIn sales navigator searches, or LinkedIn recruiter searches. So maybe you want to do that because you are looking for a job and you want to exclude your company or competitor's company from your search results, or you are looking for leads and you want to avoid like searching for companies you already have as clients or competitors as well. So this is actually pretty simple on the regular LinkedIn search engine. Just need to use LinkedIn Boolean search operators. So if you don't know what Boolean search is, I won't make a full tutorial here, but I will add the link on the top right of the video. You can check to know more about that. The simple thing that you need to know here is that you must write so your search criteria. You can add filters if you want on the search bar. Here, let's say we want to exclude the first company here from our search results. I'm going to copy that, write not in capital letters, and put the name of the company between quotes. And you can see that I have the same search results, but the company here after not between quotes disappear. And I can do the same for the next one, not here, shoes.com. And here you can see that shoes.com disappeared. I can do it a third time for shoes of prey, not shoes of prey, this, and it will also disappear from search results. So the only thing you need to know is that you must add not here and then the name of the company between quotes, and this company will disappear from your search results. So we've seen how to exclude company from LinkedIn basic searches. Now let's see how to exclude companies from LinkedIn Sales Navigator searches. LinkedIn Sales Navigator being the premium search engine. So if you are doing sales, just buy LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Much better search engine with much more filters. By the way, I will add a link to a Sales Navigator tutorial on the top right of this video. Basically, you have two options here. First option, you are looking for leads and you want to exclude leads working in certain companies from search results. For that, you just click on current company, like let's say Apple, and then you simply click on exclude here. And basically all the people working at Apple will disappear from your search results. You can do that for a list of companies like this, but you can also put all these companies into a list and then exclude the list. Here on the account list filter, let's say you built a list of companies which are competitors and you want to, every time that you make a search for leads, you want to exclude the leads working at your competitors, then you just select your account list and you click on exclude here, and that will automatically exclude all the people working at all the companies inside your account list. So that's the simple method, but you can also use LinkedIn Boolean search on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So let's say I want to exclude this company from my search results. Same thing than in LinkedIn basic search. I write not, I have the company, and you see that the first result disappeared here. And if I unselect, this guy here reappear on search results. And this on this field, it will do exactly the same thing. The difference between these two fields is that this will look only in the company field and this will look in the entire profile. And by the way, you can exclude people working at specific companies right now, but you can also do the same thing for past companies. So you also have this option here. So that was for the lead search. For the account search is exactly the same thing, but you don't have like a company name filter. As you can see here, you have revenue, headcount, location, account list. So you can make a list of accounts you want to exclude from your searches and then select it here, like we did on the lead search. But then if you want to do it like manually, writing a Boolean search expression, you will have to use the keyword search bar here and write not, and then the name of the company. And obviously, if you have several companies to exclude, you write not several times and you use the exact same technique. And here you can see that the companies disappear as expected. We covered LinkedIn basic search, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Now let's see how to do exactly the same thing on LinkedIn Recruiter. Same principles here. So you can look for companies, obviously, on LinkedIn Recruiter, but you have company fields for candidates. And same thing here, just write the name of your company here, and then you click on the three dots and you select doesn't have, and then it will appear in red like this. And if you cancel, you see that here it's written enter a company or a Boolean. So you can also write like in Sales Navigator, up, not Apple, not Amazon, for example. Actually, if the company name is only one word, you are not forced to add quotes. But if there are 2 words in the company name, then you must add quotes, because adding quotes meaning that you are looking for the exact expression. You can also work like this on LinkedIn Recruiter. You can also do the same thing in the keywords field, because basically this filter will only look into the company names, and this field will look into the whole profile. So it will give the same results, simply it will look into a broader field of data. And that's how, guys, you exclude companies from your LinkedIn search results. If you enjoyed the video, you can smash the like button below and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more about LinkedIn searches and how to master LinkedIn search engines. You can check the tutorial on LinkedIn Boolean search just right here. I wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.